Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to clean a quartz countertop. I'm here with Lenny Sciarrino, the president and CEO of Granite Gold. You make a terrific line of cleaners for granite and marble tops, as well as sealers and polishes, but you also have a terrific cleaner for quartz countertops, which is one of the most popular options when it comes to kitchen counters.
Absolutely. So quartz is really came up in the years. So half the countertops now between granite and quartz are going with quartz. In some areas, quartz is taking the lead.
Right.
So there's a lot of difference between quartz and granite in terms of the number one, not having to seal it.
Right.
So that's usually the most popular one. But don't forget, quartz is still most times like 93% natural quartz, and then they use resins to make the surface. So it still needs to be protected with the right products.
And you want to be careful not to use regular household cleaners on a quartz countertop, even though it's very durable, but that can actually damage the surface, correct?
So being a third generation fabricator installer, we've seen everything with stone. So with quartz, if you use those ordinary household cleaners, it'll wear the finish. And so we always recommend to use something that's neutral pH and that's safe for stone. And we developed a product for quartz specifically. And ours is a little different too. It's not just a cleaner. So ours is infused with the cleaner and our polish. So you get that wow factor as well as just cleaning the surface.
So that not only provides the option to keep it clean and not damage the surface, but give you that luster that you're looking for on the countertop.
Absolutely. And besides the luster as well, it actually makes cleaning easier. So when you use a polish, it kind of has that biostatic barrier on there that really helps cleaning. So it just makes it really easy, and obviously the shine is usually the favorite part.
Right. Now, one of the benefits of quartz is the porosity, or it's not porous, right? That people really like. But disinfecting, which is something that a lot of people are concerned with, is something that you still need to do. Talk to me about one of the options you have for that.
So we get the question all the time, and you really have to be careful when you're disinfecting stone. Even quartz itself. So our product, the Micro Gold, it's an antimicrobial as well as a disinfectant. So what it does is most disinfectants, you spray it on, once it dries, it stops working.
Right.
So our product, you spray it on, it does that initial kill, but it puts this biostatic barrier that's called a silane quat. And what that does is it molecularly bonds to the surface, and then once it dries, it continues to keep working. So there's these little swords or spikes, whatever you want to call them, that are microscopic, that actually are positively charged. And it attracts the negative bacteria and viruses to the surface, and it punctures the cell wall and destroys it.
And it's completely safe to use on a quartz countertop.
Yes, it's on the lowest EPA toxicity level. It's a neutral pH product. It's completely safe for stone.
And that's it. If you'd like more information, go to acehardware.com. Follow us on our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.